Hello. What's going on? This is Kevin here from Sonic Sound in Arlington, Virginia. I'll show you a new head unit that we have here in stock. It's the new Sony 10.1 inch. It's the Mobile ES. It has a 3-year warranty. Okay. And it's a nice looking unit. So you guys seen my other videos where we have the Kenwood 10.1, which is a nice looking unit too as well. But here's the Sony version with the 3-year warranty. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty nice. You have your home button here. And then you got Sirius XM, USB. You can do multiple cameras on it. Camera 1, camera 2, your rear camera, Sirius XM. This unit does come with a USB. The USB is going to be a Type C USB. Okay. You really going to use this USB only for charging only, for nothing else. Everything else is going to be wireless. So wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple Carplay. And right now we just finished doing a F-150, it's a 2015. And then I'll go ahead and show you how that came out. The 2015 F-150. This is Sonic Sound here in Arlington. All right, let's see how this goes. So, I mean, it looks good on this car. I like doing these big screens on F-150s, Tundras, you know, Rams, Chevys, because it just goes with the car. I mean, you have a big car, why not have a big, nice screen on it, you know? So, here it is. The volume is here on the top, okay? And then you can customize the volume if you wanted to as well. And I'll show you how later on. So you got your radio, you have your Sirius XM. So right now, you know, we don't have it hooked up, but you know, use your preview channel, you know. So you got that, you just press home. Every time you want to go back, you go home. You got your Bluetooth, USB, just like I was saying. The dash kit that we're using is, again, just like last time on the other Raptor that we had, is an iData Link Maestro dash kit. The cool thing about the kit is, I mean, the kit looks very nice. I mean, you can see it. It has the pocket right here on the bottom. It has the USBs here if you wanted to, HDMI, auxiliary input. You know, that's pretty cool. I like how that's set up. I don't know if you guys can see or not. But you know, it retains all your AC controls and all of that. It also retains the vehicle information. So if you click on that, it tells you your battery settings. It gives you your tire pressure sensor, and it tells you if your check engine is good. So that's pretty cool. If you go back here, you can do gauges too as well. You know, you can do different gauges. You can choose gauge. You know, you can select different gauges. You know, so it's pretty cool. I like that. So the dash kit that we have is what allows you to do all of this here. So we were able to retain the factory backup camera with this car, and as you can see. See here, this is your backup camera. It's pretty cool. So now you can see when you're backing up, nice and clear, big screen, you know, so it's pretty cool. I like that. So like I was telling you before, This only does wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So there's no need to plug in your cables anymore, only if you want to charge, okay? So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can show you how you plug in your phone here. So we just go to Bluetooth here. We're gonna do connect, and then I'm gonna put my phone here for pairing, okay? And I'm gonna search, and once we find it here, it's gonna say pair, of course, and voila, should be pairing. Should come up pretty cool. Let's see here. So it's connecting. So it works pretty fast. It's asking us if you want to do wireless Apple CarPlay, and I'm gonna press yes. So I use CarPlay and Apple CarPlay, and then that should pop up soon. There you go. It's very easy to use. Here's our Apple CarPlay now. You can see that it's pretty cool. You can make your phone calls, your maps, Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, all of that. So that's pretty cool. What do you guys think? I like it. I mean, what I like about this is the 3-year warranty too as well. I mean, how can you go wrong with a 3-year warranty? So that's pretty cool. Let's go back here home. You can change these menus here. You can always bring whatever you like here, up. One thing I wanted to show you, if we go, let me see here, settings. What everybody likes about this is the EQ that this thing has. So if you go back here, you have your regular EQ, okay, and you got presets for R&B, rock, pop, dance. You can create your own custom you can do your custom you can customize your EQ if you wanted to. At the same time, for those people that like advanced EQ, you got a parametric EQ here that you can play around with. So you can really go crazy with this radio as far as sound goes. So you got crossovers here, rear subwoofer, for those audio file, people that love playing around with this, with their music, and you can go into all these settings, and it's pretty cool. There's not a lot of head units that would do this, but this Sony ES does it. So you can actually customize those buttons right here. Let's see how we can do this here. Let me see if I remember. If I go to settings here, customize. So you can customize the keys, and you see these keys right here where it says customize. You can go here on, click on here, and then let's say I want my volume, okay, on this key. I'm just gonna press OK. So this is gonna be my volume here, and then on this key here, let me go here, and then I'm gonna click volume, and then I'm gonna press OK. So these keys on the bottom here are gonna be my keys to do volume up and down, okay? Now I can do a mute, I can do a display of my source, I can do a home, or you can do none, okay? But right now I have it set up so it's gonna do my volume up on the left key, and then on the right key is gonna do volume down. So that way I don't have to go up on top and do my volume up and down. So let's go back here. We'll put the radio here, and then now right here, volume up. This is gonna be my volume down. I mean, how cool is that, man? That's awesome. So again, you can do a mute button here, you can do a source button, you can do a lot of things. You can change the menu. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.